Hi friends, this is Preeti Chauhan. I am a digital marketer, affiliate marketer or web developer, and I am here to help those people who want to make money online or who want to learn digital marketing, affiliate marketing or web development. So today's my topic is how to get dream customer for your online business. If you are doing business, either a online business or a offline business, two things is very important. First is a product quality, second is your audience, because you have to sell your product. If product is not good, definitely audience will not be satisfied. If product is good and you are not getting a right audience for your business, then definitely your product will be failed. So there should be a equilibrium between product and their audience. So what you have to do, you have to choose a right audience for your right product. For getting a right audience, what you have to do, you have to follow some steps for that. First, you have to find out which type of audience you required for your online business according to your niche. So first you have to create avatar for your audience. You have to design for that. For your in that what you have to do, you have to find the you have to find what type of audience you required for your business. For example, if you are creating a digital product, so what kind of audience will required for a digital business, you have to find it. Such type of avatar you have to design for your audience. Okay, after that you have to collect data for your business or for your avatar. Just like you have to collect data about your avatar, just like their income level, their geographical level, their interest, their age, their number. So you have to collect data about your audience so that you can target your audience. Once you collected your data, then you have to create a channel between uh, you have to create a connection, or you create a channel between with and your audience. There may be a different medium, there may be a social media or something else, but you have to find out the way of communication with them. After that, what you have to do, once you created a communication, then you have to choose the buyer's panorama, so that you can create a relation between the buyers and the audience. After that, you have to choose a right message so that you can deliver that message to the targeting audience, so that you can create your ideal customer for your business. Once your uh, ideal customer is created, you can target them very easily. So it is very easily, or it is very hard to find your dream customer. You have to design your customer according to your product, according to your style, according to your strategy. So it is up to you how you can find that, either in a easy manner or in a hard manner. You have to work hard for your business, because it is not created in one day. Thank you so much.